Hi, this is Mrs. Bartling. I am a second year teacher here at Iowa Falls in the Ag department. I'm going to be talking a little bit about our floriculture and horticulture class that we're offering for the first time this fourth 9 weeks of the 2021 school year. So floriculture and horticulture is a class that's focused on plant propagation. We're going to be talking about yard plants as well as vegetable and indoor ornamental plants. We're going to be doing some hands-on activities that illustrate the principles of designing, growing, and maintaining plants for indoor and outdoor gardens. We're also going to be talking about some plant sale strategies and how to market things that we might be growing. And then we're also going to be working in floriculture with our Floriculture Fridays, where we will actually be designing floral works. We're going to work on analysis, design, development, process, cost, and then also the design principles that are used in floriculture. I'm excited to start this class and work with the students, and I hope that you'll follow us on Facebook to see what we come up with.